Let's start by sharing how to open up and weld this 14 by 2.75 instrument tube. This tube is made by Okinawa Yaji, and we position it at the 10 o'clock direction. We're using TIG welding, argon arc welding. For such a small tube, you can use 1.6 millimeters or 2.0 millimeters filler wire. The welding current we're using is around 40 amps. To make sure the inner layer bead doesn't overlap too much, we use a fully external disc-style TIG welding technique, also known as pullback welding. Back and index pointing right steps. We start at the 6 o'clock position, pressing down the molten pool base. Then feed the filler rod in. Make sure it fully fuses with the groove edges. Keep the torch steady and slightly weave left and right, adding filler as you go. Each time, just open a tiny bit of the molten pool. That's enough. Maintain the torch angle at 90 degrees. Warning, do not pull back at 45 degrees upward. Otherwise, when you reach the upper half of the joint, the molten metal will sag. Keep a steady rhythm. Move the pool slightly left and right, add 1 drop of filler. Move left and right again, add another drop. Maintain this rhythm throughout. Once you master it, the temperature will stay stable and won't get too high. White heavy check mark after welding. The inner bead penetration is well controlled within 1 millimeter. The outer bead has a clean white finish, smooth and uniform. Excellent results overall. Subscribe WLDMASDAR for more information about welding lesson.